In Maringá, Brazil, on a high urban ridge, House 538 by Une Arquitetura transforms a narrow 6.5 by 27.8 meter lot into a vertical oasis. This concrete envelope reaches skyward while embracing green life below, promising light, breeze, and communal living. The architecture is expressed as a crisp concrete box raised above the street level. At ground level, 4 corten steel pivot doors open the facade entirely, fusing interior and exterior into a singular living space. A robust reinforced concrete slab and sidewalls concentrate structural loads, freeing the ground floor for openness. The zenithal slab houses an automatic skylight, promoting both daylight and natural ventilation. Ground floor flows seamlessly through living, dining, and kitchen to a verdant backyard, ideal for gatherings. The upper level accommodates a home office, 2 bedrooms, and a master suite with independent garden access and city views. A motorized skylight infuses the double-height living room with daylight and triggers natural airflow. When the corten steel doors pivot open, the whole ground floor breathes with cross-ventilation and garden light. Materials are elemental and raw. Exposed concrete, corten steel, natural timber, and rich greenery. This palette creates a tactile dialogue between permanence, warmth, and organic life. Interiors combine modern furniture with family heirlooms, set against raw concrete, a calm canvas for life. A neutral aesthetic highlights openness, light, and living textures. The backyard, planted by the residents themselves, reveals a personal connection to place. A wall-integrated staircase climbs to an organic rooftop vegetable garden, bringing cultivation into the skyline. House 538 is a vertical poem in concrete and steel, a slender form that embraces the sky and earth alike. It reminds us that even the most modest plots can become vessels of light, life, and quiet grandeur.